The folding Hitch cargo carrier MF-60 boasts a robust construction made from tubular steel with a black epoxy powder coating, ensuring both high strength and a lightweight design. With overall dimensions of 60 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 6 inches high, this carrier offers ample space for various cargo needs and includes a mesh base for easy cleaning. The carrier features an angled shank that provides additional ground clearance, making it suitable for off-road adventures or vehicles with low ground clearance. Visibility and safety are enhanced with the inclusion of reflectors, ensuring that both the cargo carrier and your vehicle are more noticeable at night. This product comes with a waterproof cargo bag that offers 16 cubic feet of storage, along with a hitch stabilizer to minimize noise and movement while driving. Additional accessories such as a cargo net with attachment hooks and ratchet straps are included, providing extra security for your belongings during transit.